Hi, I'm Anna and welcome to our channel. Today I have all these flats I need to fill with media so that we can plant seeds on Monday, because if I don't do it today, planting seeds takes a really long time and I just like to be really organized. So we got 8 50s we have to do. The way you can tell they're 50s is there's 5 cells across the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's just the easiest way. The fastest way to determine what size flat you have. And of course these ones have the biggest cells. All right, 50s are done. Now I've got 72s, which are 6 across here. Once I get the top wiped down, I like to get the dirt off around the edges. If I don't, I feel like that's such a waste. Perfectly good media. While I continue filling these flats, you guys should go check out the germination room. There's an artichoke I saw one pop up, and then there's some broccoli and cauliflower seed that got mixed in, but you should go check it out. I hope you guys found it neat that you could see the artichokes popping up out of the ground. Now that you're back, we're gonna water. I got my table full here. Still have more that I gotta do, but I'll save those for later. So what I do is I put 1 flat in each of these tubs and then water them real quick. There. Be a little too much water pressure. So get these nice and damp. Well, a little more than that because I won't plant till Monday, so I don't want them to dry out. Let's get those wet. All right, let the water drain off the sides. Stick it right on top of the next one and just squish it down. And I put the one on top onto the third one, the one that's been squished. Rinse it off, or let the water drain off, and put it on the very top and then just squish the rest. Let the water drain off the bottom one and then stick it on the rack. There's only 8 of these. So I'm gonna continue on with this and I'll probably see you when everything's done. All right, I just got back from lunch and I've got these 98s to fill. which have 7 across, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's 7 across here. That's how I know it's a 98. All right, the 98s are done. Now I'm going to do the 200s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These ones have 10 across. And these are the smallest ones we use, so they're pretty easy to tell which ones are the 200s. All right, all the 200s are done. So now I'm gonna water. Ugh, my back hurts. I just finished filling all these flats and watering them and squishing them down. And the reason we squish them down is so that when we plant the seeds and cover them, the seeds will stay in the cells. So this is done. Now I'm gonna go check on the artichokes, probably move those up to the greenhouse, and hopefully that will be all I need to do today. So I'm gonna go check on those artichokes. After checking on the artichokes, I decided to leave them in the germination room. There weren't enough plants popped up out of the soil, and artichokes are really particular in how they grow. And it's also really cold outside, so I don't really want to move them right now and chalk them and have them not grow anymore. Well, that's it for me today. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and we'll see you next time. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.